Naveen, and welcome.
What is your view about handmade gifts?
My view about handmade gifts are always like they're very special, like because there's so much emotion attached to it, and उसमें effort ज़्यादा लगता है. So I think when we receive a handmade gift, like you feel more elated and you feel more connected to that person who's gifting you. So I feel handy gifts are like handmade gifts are much more special.
Okay, so have you ever made a handmade gift?
Yes, I have. Like earlier, few years back ज़्यादा होता था. अभी currently इतना नहीं है, but recently, maybe a year or so back, I have made handmade gifts. Generally, I'm very late to give out gifts. Last minute में याद आता है कि oh gift देना है. Oh okay. So what to do? And sometimes you just happen to Google on or YouTube, and see something you like. Okay, okay, I can make something like that. Okay, and then so yeah, I have given handmade gifts. Not so much. I have received more handmade
Okay,
gifts than I have given. So I'm being grateful like that.
so do you remember any your first handmade gift that you made?
That I made.
Yeah.
Um, I think the first handmade gift always was to my parents when for their anniversary or something like that. Where as a kid, like you have a photograph. That time we had those handmade, so the printed photographs used to be there at
Yeah.
home and everything. So making a photo frame out of it, I think that's what I remember more accurately
Okay.
as a kid, like making a frame out of it and putting the photograph in it and putting little flowers and some glitter and stuff like that, and then gifting them on their anniversary.
Okay, so have you got handmade gifts? Like, which is the, if you remember, which is the first one you ever got?
I don't remember a first one, but a special friend had given me a gift, like where they had like uh, taken my photograph again and made a handmade. I think cards. It was a card where there was my pictures and this and that, and so a lot of effort was put into it. So I think that made the gift more special, and it's more than like the cost of the gift. Then the effort you sincerely see. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything like that, but you see that the person has put in effort for the gift, so it makes it more memorable and more special for me.
So, which is the one handmade gift that you love the most out of the ones which you have got?
Always like friends like surprise me the most. I feel like where they take an effort to do something out of the box. I recently got a photo frame which had
Okay.
a lot of doodles, and all those doodles were mostly things which I like. Things
Okay.
which I like I like video recording, YouTube,
Hmm.
maybe a pizza and all that. So my friend had drawn all that stuff
Okay.
on the doodle, like in the doodle, and gifted me. So that was like a very special gift for me.
Okay, so according to you, what makes handmade gift more unique than those which we buy from stores?
Like like I said, like you can always buy from the store. That's not an issue. But when someone takes that extra little step, like when they take 2 3 steps more, okay, no, I want to give something that I want to invest my time in. So you know that the person who's gifting you has actually taken efforts for the gift. So that makes the gift even more special. And like I said, it doesn't matter uh, how big the gift is. Even a small
Yeah.
handmade letter with like just your own handwriting and a little decor or whatever just makes it so much more special. It makes it like you want to preserve that for a real long time. So I feel ki uh, in the shop you definitely get like good quality gifts, but uh, when there's a handmade gift, it's an extra special gift, like one to remember always.
Okay, so what do you want to tell to those who make handmade gifts? If you might have seen many on YouTube also. So for them, what is your
I think they're doing a
words?
great job. Like you yourself are doing such a great job. Like teaching people how to make these handmade gifts. And for someone like me who would like to surprise someone, by making something special, it's a great thing that you guys are doing, and should keep going. Like and you're also helpful actually when it comes to giving gifts, and we don't have the time and we don't have the resources to make something out of something special out of whatever little we can find, something maybe even of recycled stuff. So it just it gives me a good feeling, oh, I created something, as well as the one I'm gifting like probably will feel the gift more, that the gift is more precious that time.
Is there any handmade gift which you have seen but you don't know how to make it? You want to see how to make it, and like anyone, because most of them they
I don't
just
know.
put a, like, video of once they've done.
Yeah,
On
yeah,
YouTube
yeah.
you get tutorials, but any gift which I've seen but you've not got the
I have
tutorial
seen
of.
some gifts like since like I'm so into video and everything, where there was like something that you see through it and you rotate it
The
and the
kaleidoscope.
pictures change. Like so, I always wanted to create something like that, but
Okay.
that was too complex for me. Like how to do that? Okay, like the whole mechanism and all. And obviously, when you do something like that extensive, it's time consuming as well. So, but it is very fascinating. It's such a cool thing that I see that it rotates, of like people pull the strings and the photo changes inside it
Okay,
and
huh.
stuff like that. So
Okay.
that was like something which I wanted to do, but of course I don't have the talent like you to
I,
you know
if you
do
try,
all that.
obviously anyone can do it. It's
Yeah,
just that we have to have patience.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Any person other than me you have seen who has made handmade gifts? Someone
Like
you've seen from
frankly,
a long
you're
time?
one of the few people who I know personally. Okay, she does make the handmade gifts, but I have like seen YouTube videos and all, but not that I have paid attention to who the person is and
Okay.
who is making. Because at that time when I've seen the video, I want to make the gift and finish the gift as soon as I
Exactly.
can. So I'm just focusing on the video and doing it. But other than you, like I don't think I know anyone personally as such by name that. Okay, who makes these handmade gifts. So if there's anybody who asks me, hey, do you know anybody? So I would definitely say, "Ki, okay, so Lakshmana does."
Okay, so that was it. Those were my questions. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
making
so much.
time and coming here.
No, it's a pleasure. It's my pleasure. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.